And as part of On the Hour's Nature Awareness campaign, we present the first in a series of factual enviropods.
That's the sound of an elephant. A beautiful noise from the heart of nature. Comes quite literally out of its trunk. Kinda gets you right there, doesn't it? But the seemingly peaceful world of this noble and benign creature is filled not only with threat, but a major death danger. You see, the elephant may be a tough cookie, but he is capable of being hurt. That's the sound of an elephant. And this is the sound of a gun. Put the two together, and Jumbo's a no-no. Sad thing is that the power behind the bullet is no more or less than man's greed. Because every day, thousands of elephants are quite literally put to death to be made into tarpaulins for lorries. We heard only last week the tragic tale of a lady elephant, let's call her Jackie, who'd been with a young bull called Brian for a couple of years when, literally, out of nowhere, came Duncan. Duncan was big, he was handsome. To say they hit it off immediately would be an understatement. Now, jealousy's a ruthless duchess, and it wasn't long before Brian had gone out of his mind and tipped off the local poachers. I guess he didn't know what he was doing, because in the resulting shower of death, Jackie, Duncan, and Brian bought big with bullets and fell over to die utterly on the ground. Now clearly, nothing can compensate the world for this tragic loss. 3 deaths which, let's be quite blunt about it, you have brought about. You've done this simply by using something which was once transported somewhere in a lorry. But if there is any good news, and I guess there is some, it's that the other elephants still have a chance. But you can help. That is the sound of an elephant. Record it. Play it to a lorry driver and say, "Thanks to you, mate, this is on the way out." And then watch with pride as he gets down and vows never again to hollow the guts out of an elephant and stick it on his lorry.
On the Hour never balks at issues from which other news programs might well shrink.